Alright guys, we're back here at Star Wars Battles. This giveaway by B. It's an early bird display stand. We'll grab the list. We've got 20 entries here. So let's get to it. We're live at 7:23. There's your time. There's your list, 1 through 20. And your dice got to be a 5 or better. It's a 5. Good luck, guys. Round 1, Wolfgang. 2, Bobby. 3, Dan. 4, Dan. And that brings us to the final round just like that, guys. Good luck, everybody. 7:24. And your winner is Steve, line 8. Congratulations. There's your verification code. RQN RPK. Round 5, line 8 is your winner. And that's going to do it, fellas. Done at 7:24. Till next time, battle on.